So hello guys, the link for the coding competition Google Kickstarter open now, and we will see the procedure of registration. What is this Kickstart competition and how does it works? I will answer all the questions in the description below. As we can see on the screen is the last date for enrollment is November 15, 2020. After that you can't enter in the Kickstart competition. This competition is based on first come first serve basis. You can see the details of round D that will be on July 12, 2020. Now we will see the registration procedure, that how to register and what details to fill. First we will click on the register button on the first page of the link. I will provide the link in the description below. Click on the register now button. I had filled all the dummy details, so fill all the details according to you. The nickname must be unique and like your country, that is where are you from. Fill all the details exactly and accurate, because this will help Google to contact you in future for various competitions and for prize distribution. Here you have to enter your residence location, like from the country where you belong. And here are two optional questions based on your gender and your race or ethnicity. In preferred coding language section, select the language you want to code in. Now under drop down menu of professional status, if you are a student, then select student and fill all the details related to your academics, like your name of your college, area of studies. If you are a graduate, then graduation month and your stream. And if you are a professional, then enter your company's name, job title and highest degree completed. If you want to keep this section blank, then click on decline to answer. This section is very important for you. You have to click on all yes buttons, and if you want to post links of your resume or LinkedIn, you can paste it there. So take on all yes buttons. Now this section is prizes section. So if you are eligible for any prizes, then Google will use this information and will send the prizes to your address. So fill all the informations correctly and accurately according to you. I had filled all the fake details just to show you. Now tick on all check boxes and click on create profile. Your profile will be created now. The first step is completed now. Now we will see the second step. Now here you can see that all the informations filled by you are correct or not. if you have doubt that you had not filled all the information correctly, then you can click on update profile and can rectify the changes. Now take this I agree to the rule and click on yes and register yourself for the coding competition. From here onwards your profile will be created and you can see the dashboard here. Here you can see various ongoing competitions which are currently going on. You will get all the details in this dashboard. Here you can see the previous problems which are asked in previous rounds, and you can also see your schedule on clicking on the drawer button on top left, top extreme left. Yes, click on schedule and you can see your schedule here, like what. Here you can see the date of your competition, like on what date did you register, and here we can see the rules for this competition. Read all the eligibility rules to ensure that you are eligible for this coding competition. Please read all the rules carefully before entering in the competition. You can find all the necessary details related to this competition in this section only. And if you have any question, please tell down in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching this.